Hello class 11th. Today I am going to start with this reproductive system in cockroach. Okay. In chapter 7, structural organization in animals. Second part of this chapter is cockroach. In cockroach, today I am going to start with the reproductive system of cockroach. Reproductive system of cockroach. Okay. Sexes are separated, so male and female are separated, and male and female can identify on the basis of their morphological features. Male reproductive system contain first one, male reproductive system contain one pair testis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and utricular gland, and phallic gland, Okay, testes are three-lobed structure occupying a dorsal position. Testis is a three-lobed structure occupying a dorsolateral position on the 4th and 6th abdominal segment, where it is present 4 to 6. Abdominal segment embedded in the body. Its testis consist of 30 to 40 transparent follicle. कितने follicle होते हैं? 30 to 40 follicles it contains. Okay, and which is connected by a short duct. The vas deferens. The vas deferens is a thin thread-like tube. Okay, and continues backward to downward to form a ejaculatory duct, and at the junction of the large white mushroom shaped gland, that is called utricular gland, and from this gland number of blindly ended diverticula arises. Diverticula are three types: peripheral tubule, central tubule, and seminal vesicle. Phallic gland beneath the utricular gland, and ejaculatory duct, a long flat white phallic gland is present. This is phallic gland is present, and the ejaculatory duct open into the exterior just below the anus to the genital pouch by the side of the gonopore. The external genitalia present between the 9th and 10th segment. Okay, external genitalia present between the 9th to 10th segment. 9th and 10th abdominal segment. Sterna consists of the dorsal anal and ventral male genital opening, that is called gonopore. See here diagram. It is also given in your book. Okay, see, from 4th to 10th. 4 to 10. 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 तक होता है. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now first, three-lobed testes are present. See here, three lobe, 1, 2 and 3 lobe testis. Here, that is called vas deferens, tube-like structure. Okay, कहाँ पे जुड़ते हैं? Seminal vesicle पे आके, central tubule, peripheral tubule and lateral tubule, and इसके नीचे से क्या आएगी? that is ejaculatory duct, gonopore पे ये ओपन होगा, एंड फ्रॉम हियर phallic gland, यहाँ से एक निकलेगा मशरूम शेप, दैट इज phallic gland. दिस इज phallic gland. दिस वन इज ये वाला, ये दिस वन इज phallic gland. This one is testis. This one is vas deferens. Okay, and this one is ejaculatory duct. This one is ejaculatory duct. Okay, and here utriculus. This processes. इधर वाला क्या है? Utriculus. See here, seminal vesicle, central tubule, peripheral tubule. Okay, and this one is utriculus. Here नीचे gonopore होगा, that is the opening, that is called gonopore. It is given in your book also. See here, draw this one in your notebook. This is the male reproductive system of cockroach.